Are you tired of complicated diets and conflicting advice about healthy eating? What if I told you that transforming your diet can be as easy as following just 5 simple hacks? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to kickstart a healthier lifestyle without the stress or confusion. Hi there. Welcome to Wellness with Arsh, your go-to channel for practical health tips you can implement at home. Today, we're diving into 5 beginner-friendly hacks to make healthy eating a breeze. Whether you're just starting out or looking to simplify your journey, these tips are designed for you. And stick around till the end, because hack number 5 is a game changer. Hack number 1, focus on whole foods. This means choosing foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Think fresh fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. Not only are these packed with nutrients, but they also keep you fuller for longer. Pro tip: when grocery shopping, stick to the outer aisles of the store where fresh produce and proteins are usually found. This simple shift can drastically improve the quality of your meals. Hack number 2, meal prep is your best friend. Prepping your meals in advance not only saves time, but also reduces the temptation to grab unhealthy options on busy days. Start small, maybe just prepping lunches for the week. Use simple recipes like quinoa bowls with veggies or grilled chicken salads. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Hack number 3, stay hydrated. Sometimes, our body confuses thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber to make it more refreshing. And here's a fun tip: invest in a reusable water bottle to carry with you wherever you go. Staying hydrated has never been easier. Hack number 4, practice mindful eating. Slow down and truly savor your meals. Pay attention to flavors, textures, and how the food makes you feel. This not only helps with digestion, but also prevents overeating. Good rule of thumb: put your fork down between bites and avoid distractions like TV while eating. And finally, hack number 5, embrace small, sustainable changes. Instead of overhauling your diet overnight, make 1 or 2 small swaps each week. Replace sugary drinks with sparkling water, or swap processed snacks for nuts and seeds. Over time, these tiny adjustments add up to significant health benefits without feeling overwhelming. There you have it, 5 simple hacks to kickstart your healthy eating journey. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Wellness with Arsh for more practical health tips. And hey, which hack will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.